Stephen Kuczwara, Vice President of Operations here at Kirkwood Direct, and I'd like to talk to you a little bit today about the Xerox 1000 color press and digital printing in general that we put in here. I'd like to start to talk to you a little bit about the print industry first and what's been going on in the print industry. As many of you know, the largest print expo in North America is Graph Expo. And over that period, a few years ago, it was dominated in the past by big commercial printers where they actually had the manufacturers and presses set up at that show. What we found is they've been noticeably absent over the last few years, and so the landscape has significantly changed. Now what we're seeing is digital print. So with that landscape change, that's not to say that commercial print doesn't bring value. There's still a significant value to commercial print, but what we found is that printers now had to basically get into digital print in order to stay relevant, and so they've brought these digital print and presses into their facilities to give these offerings to their consumers. Starting in 2009 to now, if you take a look at what digital print's been doing, it's actually been compounding annual growth rates of 24%. And the two major areas of digital print that have been compounding is in the direct marketing and the collateral pieces. The value add for digital print is really the four-color variable print that can be done and it's personalized in both text and imagery. Digital is effective in small runs, but there's a big misconception about that, and that it's restricted to small runs. Digital print, with the technology that's evolved, is actually capable of running much larger runs. We find ourselves running anywhere from a few pieces up to 500,000 pieces per job, full digital color variable prints. So when looking for color press, we had 5 major items that we took into consideration. The first was the reliability and really the ease of the operator's use for the machine itself. The second was image quality. We really wanted that 2400 DPI, and that's what you see here behind me, just brilliant images. The third was capacity and speed. Speed, obviously, we talked about 500,000 pieces per customer for a print run. That's a large number to hit in digital color print, so we needed the speed. But then we wanted large sheet format. We also wanted to be able to handle various thickness substrates at rated speeds. Previous to that, the older printers slowed down as you got into heavier pieces. Fourth, we wanted consistency and registration. We wanted automated calibration. We wanted to make sure that it was consistent front and back with the registration. The older presses, the operators were consistently chasing that. And then we wanted uniformity across the page. From the middle of the page all the way outside, that there was consistency there. And then fifth, we wanted to make sure that the substrate was flexible, that we could handle from a 20-pound bond, which is photocopy paper, all the way up to a 16-point cover. This leads us to the 1000 color press. For our customers, we can blend a variety of print solutions and alternatives for them under one roof with effective programs. The color press is a wonderful addition to our offerings, and we'd love to show you how to take advantage of this technology. Last but not least, we know that your time is valuable, so thank you for spending a few minutes with us today here at Kirkwood Direct, and we truly look forward to helping you with the print solutions.